There were 4 people in the room the night DEA agent Ricky Sandoval was murdered. El Sueño, the head of the Santa Blanca cartel, Ricky, and the last 2 were La Yuri and El Polito. Yuri and Polito met at a poor state-run hospital in Chiapas, where El Polito was doing his residency and La Yuri worked as a nurse. It was love at first sight. From the first moment their eyes met, they were inseparable. A love like no other. One day, a buchon named La Plaga walked into the ER, all shot up. It was touch and go for a while, but Yuri and Polito were able to save his life. La Plaga was grateful. He showered them with gifts, invitations to the most exclusive parties, even a new car. And after a while, La Plaga made Yuri and Polito the personal medical staff of the Santa Blanca cartel. But that wasn't their main job. See, Yuri and Polito know about the human body. They know how much pain a person can endure before he'll die. They know how to keep a person alive and awake so they can feel the pain. And most of all, they know how to inflict that pain. That's what they do in Itaqua province. When Santa Blanca captures someone that refuses to talk, La Yuri and El Polito make them talk. They break people. Like I said, there were 4 people in the room the night Ricky Sandoval was murdered. Sueño, Ricky, Yuri, and Polito. They kept Ricky alive while Sueño tortured him. Non-stop for 47 hours straight. They broke Ricky Sandoval. Then Sueño executed him.
These vatos locos make me miss the Taliban.
It's the coke. They're all jacked up. Hey, you work at a bar, you're gonna drink the beer.
When you hit them, they don't feel it. They just keep coming.
You tap them in the head, it don't matter what they feel.
And they got better aim than the Taliban.
But all these assholes, I got a fetish for lopping off heads. What's that shit about?
A senior rebel leader named Amaru has been captured by the cartel. Interrogate a Santa Blanca lieutenant for Amaru's location, then go and extract him.
Hold up. We need to rally closer.
Deploying drone. Target marked. Keep an eye on your background. Got eyes on the target. Let's move.
Yo, cartel gunman.
Tell me where.
There, next to the watchtower.
Roger. Let me get a good sight line. Roger that. Moving.
Let me get into position.
Roger. Target acquired.
Say the word.
I'm opening fire on these
Heads
shitheads.
down. Okay, we're still good.
You're gonna get made. Hang back.
Easy. Camine.
¡Pinche cabrón! ¡Puta madre! ¡Ya está!
Clear. How you guys holding up?
¡Está bien, ganaron! ¡Ya está! ¡Paz, paz, paz, bien!
Here's the deal, asshole. You answer my questions, or I put a bullet in your gut and leave you to die in your own shit. ¿Lo entiendes?
Chill the fuck out, cabrón! What do you want?
Amaru, where can I find him?
You serious? That's what this is about? Sure thing. He's at Atoya Farm. Go on. Then you can see what we do to people who fuck with us. People like you.
You need to get this done
Got
in a
him. He's
hurry.
down.
Amaru's an old man. He's not gonna last long under torture.
Shit, if they've been working on him for a while, there's a good chance he's already dead. Maybe, maybe not. Amaru's a major player in the rebel movement. The cartel will keep him alive as long as they can to find out what he knows.
We can't afford to take any chances. There's too much riding on this. Let's move. Hang on, I'll drive. Let's get moving. The cartel isn't gonna wait around for us to track down and rescue Amaru.
Coming up on Atoyo Farm. Remember, a lot of these sicarios are ex-military.
ID your targets. If Amaru gets killed by a stray round, Operation Kingslayer will be dead in the water before it even starts. Let's go.
Roger, let me get in position. Target acquired.
Moving to a good sight line.
Kill confirmed.
I got one narco inside the barn.
I'm moving to position. Target acquired. Standing by.
I need to get to a better position. Say the word, boss.
Target down.
That was fucking close. Fuck, they found the body. All right, breathe easy.
Ready? Fire, fire, fire!
Roger.
Así que escuchen bien. La rebelión no perdona.
Engaging tangos. That's one less bad guy.
Alguien ayúdeme a salir de aquí.
That's it, we're clear.
Ni la Virgen ni todos los santos van a venir.
Are you Amaru?
What's left of him anyway?
Come on, we're getting you out of here. Rally up, people.
Roger that.
Sure are a lot of lights and switches up here.
Where are you taking me?
Back to your friends.
Entonces Pacatari has made his deal with the malditos extranjeros, the young fool.
Take it up with him, senor. This is it.
Are you hurt?
Santa Blanca is not the most gracious of hosts. These Aucas, these demons they had questioning me. Let us say, their talk of love was enough to make me vomit. But their methods were not...
Were their names Yuri and Polito?
See, Yuri Polito.
These are the fucks that tortured Ricky Sandoval while Sueño questioned him. I want them bad.
We only saw run-of-the-mill Sicarios when we freed Amaru.
But I haven't seen Yuri and Polito in at least 3 days, maybe 4. I don't know where they are now.
We need more intel.
We'll search every village and camp until we find something.
Somebody's gotta know something. Gather documents, hack computers, interrogate hostile lieutenants, talk to civvies, whatever it takes.
We'll turn over every rock.
A captured rebel being held in the village of Colta might have valuable intel on the Yuri and El Polito. Rescue him from the cartel and find out what he knows.
Rally on me.
Copy that.
Looks like Kulta is still smoldering. Keep an eye out for the rebel they've got held here.
I got eyes on a sniper.
Yo, cartel gunman. Inside the church.
Got another
Roger
tango.
that. Moving.
I got a third target.
I got a Sicario over here.
I don't see him.
I got one narco. By the church. got a narco. There, by the ruins.
The investment and the jobs that have helped you improve your lives. But Bakatari and his rebels threaten the safety of this way of life. Pinches lobos disfrazados de ovejas. We will do our part, but you must do yours. Do not support Bakatari and his rebels. Report any rebel activity directly to the local Santa Blanca organization.
Here's target number
That was
5.
close.
The drone is up.
We got a Sicario.
That makes 5.
Next to the church. Got it. Moving. I'm getting a position.
Let me find a good position.
I've got the target.
Ready to engage. Kill confirmed.
I got a narco over here. Next to the church.
Fire.
Copy that. Engaging. Got him.
Clear. How you guys holding up?
No hostiles evident.
Rally up, people.
Oigan, gringos.
Copy.
Help me get out of here.
You okay, hermano?
What do you want from me?
Yuri and Polito, the fuckers who tortured you. We're here to make them pay for what they did. But we need to know where they took you.
We didn't travel far. I remember that much, and it was quiet. Out in the country somewhere. There was a smell, like old animal skins. That's all I know. I'm sorry.
It's all right. At least now we know they're close by. Gracias. Rally on me.
Roger, moving.
I'll pilot.